20h46, heure avancée de l'Est. Le vendredi 15 avril 2022, un avertissement devant l'heure normale de l'Est en vigueur pour ville de Hamilton.
Prévision pour 1002 par
This is the problem with
Canada à 17h.
This is the problem with Weatheradio Canada at the moment. The new software is okay and it's very fast, but unfortunately it doesn't allow a pause for the weather radio to finish alerting and then turn to voice to hear the alert. I basically just missed all of the alert. I have to try to snooze it really fast to hear the English version of the alert, but yeah, I missed it.
15 avril 2022, vendredi soir in...
And I just barely had enough time to pull out my phone and film this because they just issued the alert. Anyway, yeah. As you can see, I think it was for Hamilton and some other areas. Possibly my area as well, I don't know. But anyways, yeah.